Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very delicious chocolate milkshake. The first ingredient that you'll need is inulin powder. I like to use the agave inulin powder. It's a prebiotic and it's really good for your stomach. Use about a teaspoon of this. The next ingredient is a sweetener, and I like to use powdered Swerve, but you could use Monkfruit, you could use maybe, I don't know how to say it, Erythritol, but that's not how you say it, but that's also a sweetener. And so you use about a teaspoon of that. And then I use cocoa powder. I like to use the non-alkalized one because it hasn't been processed as much and it holds a lot more of those nutrients like the polyphenols and the antioxidants, which are really good for your body. So I use about a teaspoon of that as well. And you can use less if you don't want it as chocolatey. The next ingredient is just coconut yogurt, which is a probiotic, and I use a tablespoon of that. You could also at this point add, if you wanted, it's optional, I like to add some turmeric, it's anti-inflammatory. You could add other ingredients for flavor like organic peppermint extract, or you could have cinnamon, nutmeg, sometimes I add cardamom. Then after you've added everything in the bowl, you're just gonna wanna mix it up into a little paste, okay? So until it gets nice and smooth. Once you have that chocolatey paste, you're gonna add the last ingredient, which is A2 milk from grass-fed cows. You can also add some coconut milk instead, or you could use almond milk. This is about 3/4 of a cup. Okay, so you're just gonna pour that in and then whisk it together. Then you just pour it in your glass, and if you want, you can pour it in another one for a friend. It's delicious.